Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, February 28th, and we are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. Last trading day of the month, kind of disappointing finish to the month for the bulls after it started so promising when they came out of the inside month to the upside. The monthly is still up. Friday's low right now is still the low for the month, so we'll see if we hold that through today. We had a B shape yesterday for long liquidation, turned to a very nice B shape as the market tried to rally. Got a nice afternoon rally high, only to roll over and actually probe. Right now, the price probe is firmly being rejected below L's low, and they're attempting, look at the overnight highs, are getting right near the afternoon rally high. NQ, same thing, as their overnight high is just above their afternoon rally high. And the righty, again, we're all on the same path this morning. So a game plan for this morning. Well, depending on where the overnight high is, again, there's 75 minutes to go. But if it's anywhere near this area, again, for the first time, for a first trade, you could probably take that short against both the overnight high and the afternoon rally high. Above it, I'd be out on that trade. Okay, you also have value high there. So it'd be a decent risk-reward trade. I'm in twos here, so I'm not sure how wide this overnight POC is. Again, there's not much to lean on in here other than the afternoon rally high. Okay, we only had an 8-wide point of control. If we are ever to come back down towards the lows where there were sellers late, we'll see if there's buyers there now, since the sellers aren't there yet this morning. So early on, a short possibly against the overnight high and the afternoon rally high. That's a short play. No real long play here unless we really were to trade down, like I said, against L's low. The other long play I would look at is if in the next 75 minutes the overnight high gets a lot higher above the afternoon rally high. And then when we open, we have higher value. And we get the overnight high right away rather than front running it. And then look for a long if it pulls back against value high. All early plays. And then, just want to show you something on the chart, which somebody just sent me something, which is pretty interesting. So first, let's go with the monthly. 1 day left to go in the month. Again, the monthly is up, even though it's a disappointing finish to the month after a very positive start. The weekly is firmly down. Okay? Now the daily. Somebody sent me a stat. Now again, this is something that's being sent to me. We are above the 200-day moving average for 25 trading days. Now, what this article says is the S&P above the 200-day moving average for a month isn't something you see in bear markets. In fact, stocks have never been in a bear market, then spent a month above the 200-day, and then moved back to new lows. Pretty interesting. So something to keep an eye on, right? So basically what this is saying is because we've spent 25 days above the 200-day moving average, it has never gone back to make new lows, which would mean taking out October 13th low of last year. Again, you just take it with a grain of salt, but it's pretty interesting to see that. As far as the daily, some people will call this a 3-day balance. I'm encompassing a 5-day balance. To me, this daily high on the 21st is just as important, more important than the 23rd's high. So I'd like to see them get above that before I would say the daily was up. So until that happens, we're in balance. Same with if we take out yesterday's low, we would have to take out the 24th's low for me to say we're coming out of balance to the downside. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.